Hello everybody, this is Troll Homestead. Once again, just going to show you a little bit of our pond layout. We're going to be working on this through the course of time, trying to figure out where everything is going to go. So, if you see here, we have some bigger rocks that we have collected. We're going to collect a little bit more. Those are going to go on the outside and on the inside shelf of this pond. In the center there, you can see the mark from the fireplace that we had here in the center. Obviously, we can't have a fireplace in the middle of the pond, so we took that out. And I have just lined this with the lava rock that we've already collected. We're going to use that as a filtration media down at the bottom of the pond to provide extra filtration. And then over off in this direction, we have some of our pond rocks that we're going to use. And then we have this lovely little trench here. It's not going to go very deep. That's just going to provide a little trench for our wire that we're going to go out through here. It's going to come around, then it's going to go through where those pavers are over here. So I'll just run this way, so it'll go under here. I'm going to dig under this area here and follow it up to here. And then we're going to take the pavers out of here is what seems to be the plan. And then take the wire through this way after and maybe drill just a hole through the paver there in the corner. And then be able to run the conduit over to the outlet that's over in the corner that way. So that's the plan. Here's some of the river rock that we got going on. And then just to give you a wider view of the pond, so that's going to be 3 layers deep. So the first layer is going to be 2 feet down. Then it's going to be 3 feet down. And then lastly, in the center, there will be a deep section in the middle that will be 4 feet in the center there. The waterfall feature, I just mapped that out, even though we're going to heap up a pile once we start digging more in the center here for the actual waterfall. So we will get that going. We'll have to remove these rocks. That's just to give us an idea of where it's going to be. Here is going to be the skimmer box. I'm just roughly taking out some dirt in this area because I know that that's where my skimmer box is going to be placed. And once I get the dimensions of the skimmer box, then I can know if I need to widen that hole or keep it the same, or if I need to make it smaller, I'll just add some dirt around it. So I'm going to show you, this is the PVC pipe that runs over to the sprinkler systems that we don't really use. At this point, for this particular situation, it's not in the way, but if there are, I believe there may be one more sprinkler that runs right here in the center. So we'll stay tuned and see what we'll do about that. I may have to cap that off and dig it back behind where I'm supposed to be doing the pond. So then that way it will be cut back and it will be dealt with. So just to let you know, we're going to do a mixture of river rock. We're going to do a mixture of lava rock. Like I said, we're going to do these really nice granite stones here, just to give you a look at that. That's going to be mixed in here and there. And then we're going to have flagstone for the actual waterfall feature. And then it's going to have a buildup of those white stones. All across this area here will be the white stones that will have kind of a stair effect all the way down till you get here where it will drop down into the pond. So that is what we're looking at right now. It's a little bit of what the project's gonna be. And we have also put in some new trees. I'll put up a video about that once we get things more established. Stay tuned for my next video on the further build of the pond.